Hey, what's good, guys? Dynamic Brothers here. Well, half of Dynamic Brothers. I'm Simon Yang, the other half is Jesse Stewart. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm out to take you guys through a shoulder workout. The way I train. The way I train shoulders now is pretty instinctively, because sometimes there's a lot of people and certain benches, machines are being used that you might want to use. So I just train instinctively. But my very first exercise, every shoulder workout, it's always a power movement or a pressing movement. So hope you guys enjoyed this workout, alright?
Don't move your elbow. Stretch it. Stretch it all the way out.
What's up, Wyatt?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. 30.
Don't need to go all the way up. I don't understand why people do it. Go all the way up, I feel my traps, and that's not what I want. I'm trying to isolate my delts. And I like to contract at the top, stretch at the bottom, but I like to maintain the contraction. So before I perform the movement, I'm already contracting my delts. Like right when I place my hand right here, I'm keeping everything tight. Almost like you're doing the most muscular pose. And you're contracting your delts. That's what I'm thinking. So I keep that contraction there. Then I place my hand down. So now the contraction's there. It's already at a stretch. It's already at a stretch. Then I perform the movement. I'm trying to use mind and muscle connection. Of course, it may look like my arms is responsible for the movement, but in reality, it's my deltoids that is responsible for the movement. As soon as I activate it and I connect with it, that's when I start pushing the weight up, squeezing through the motion, and trying to get that maximum contraction at the top. I'm trying to throw on some more. Alright, the next one, side laterals. Get that medial deltoid popping. I'm gonna do, I don't know how many reps I'm gonna do. I usually go to failure. I don't count fucking reps. Why cap yourself out? If you know you can get 10, why not try to get 12? After that, we're gonna do partials, where we're gonna bring the weights to our side, contract, keep everything tight, right? Partial reps. Cap that delt out. Let's get going. I always, like I said, I keep everything tight. Almost like posing on stage, right? Control that motherfucker. Squeeze at the top. Get these. Alright, this next one is kind of like a bent over row. I saw this from Kai Green, but instead we're bringing the bar up to our chest, elbows out, right? This will work your rear delt. You will get a little rhomboids and traps, so it's a pretty good compound movement. I like to keep my hand all the way wide. Bend over right here. Bend your knees to protect your lower back. Bring it up to your chest. Every exercise, I like to use my hands as hooks. I don't like to grip the bar like this because I'm not working on my grip, right? Right now I'm focusing on building muscle, not grip. So I place my hands as hooks, thumbs over the bar, under the bar, I mean. Resting period, I forgot to mention that. My resting period is quite short. I don't count, so it's either 45 seconds to a minute. But if I'm training with Jesse, as soon as Jesse's done, I'm going in. Cause that's just how we roll. I really don't want to do any front raises, so I'm gonna use this machine for my front delts. A lot of people like to go wide. For me, I feel like if you keep your hands close and more on the inside like this, you're able to incorporate your front delts. Trying to get that time and that shelf life. You feel me? It's an awkward angle. Trust me, it is. We may or we We may not go heavy on this one, just depending on how I'm feeling. Alright, as you can see, I like to pyramid up. I like to start off light and then go heavy. Sets I don't count, reps I don't count. Towards the end where I'm going heavy for my weight or my strength, just trying to get the most out of it, the most out of the contraction and the most reps I'm able to get. If I get 6, I'll get 6. If I get 8, I'll get 8. But we don't count reps. Sometimes you gotta have rage. You still gotta control that shit. Control the fucking weight. Don't drop the weight. A lot of people drop it. Why do that? Push you closer to injury. Control it. Don't drop the weight. Get both positive and negative. You practice on the negatives, you get best of both worlds. You know what I mean? A lot of people focus only on the positive where they drop the weight and they push up quick. Push your ass closer to injury. That's what I think. Probably go 2 plates and a quarter. Not gonna go too heavy. You know what? Force reps. Changed my mind. I didn't want to do the front raises. So why not do it though? Fuck it. Stop looking at my ass. Alright, now we're moving on to a hammer strength machine. A lot of people use this for their lats, but I like to use this for my traps. Sometimes for my lats, but we're gonna use it for traps today. So, what I'm trying to do is pretend, again, like I'm up on stage. Like I'm doing a lat spread, right? Instead, I'm placing my hand forward and grabbing the handle all the way down, keeping everything tight. Elbows like right here. I'm not gonna bring it up like this, because like I said, we're working traps. Again, that stretch, keep everything tight. I like to keep my traps contracted before I perform the movement, so it's already contracted, right? Almost like a shrug. Stretch, contract. Stretch, contract. This works your mid to lower traps. Can't see it through my shirt, but it's there.